My report is about the symbols in ndembu ritual. Symbol is a thing regarded by general consent as naturally typifying or representing or recalling something by possession of analogous qualities, or by association in fact or thought. Ritual prescribed formal behavior for occasions not given over the technological routine having references to beliefs routine have in mystical beings or power. Symbol is the smallest unit of ritual which still retains the specific properties of ritual behavior. It is the ultimate unit of specific structure in a ritual context. The structures and properties of ritual symbols may be inferred from the three classes of data. The first is the external form and observable characteristics. Then the second is the interpretation offered by specialists and by laymen. And the last is the significant context largely worked out by the anthropologists. There are three properties of ritual symbols. The first property is that of condensation. May things and actions are represented in a single formation, and secondly, a dominant symbol is a unification of disparate significata. The disparate significata are interconnected by virtue of their common possession of analogous qualities or by the association in fact or thought. The third is the important property of dominant rituals. Ritual symbols is polarization of meaning. Not only the milk tree but all other dominant ndembu symbols possess two clearly distinguishable poles of meaning. And there are the dominant and the instrumental symbols. Certain ritual symbols are regarded by ndembu as dominant. In rituals performed to appropriate ancestors spirits who are believed to have afflicted their living kin with reproductive disorders, illness, or bad luck at the hunting. There are two main classes of dominant symbols. The first class is the represented by the first tree or plants in a series of trees or plants from which portion of leaves, bark, or roots are collected by practitioners or adepts in a curative cult. The subjects of ritual are marked with this portion mixed with water or given them mixed in a potion to drink. The first tree treated is called the place of greetings or the elder. Then the second one is class of dominant symbol. In corrective rituals consist or shrine where the subjects of such rituals set while the practitioners wash them with vegetable substances mixed with water and perform actions on their behalf of a symbolic or ritualistic nature. Such shrines are often composite, consisting of several objects in colligeration, and both classes of dominant symbols are closely associated with monempirical beings. And mura to siya, sir. Salamat. I love you. You know that.
Yes.